The only guy I know, which is Sean Benjamin, that goes on a construction site with an SVR. Guys, there's levels to everything, I tell you. In life, there's levels to everything. That guy goes to a construction site with an SVR. Sean Benjamin. Google the number plate. You guys love Googling, ain't it? You guys are friends with Google. Construction shit. Building them roads. If you have not built your own road that goes to your own house, my boy, you're not successful as yet. You must build your own road. Your road must be written the Almighty Jago. You're gonna see a board. It's gonna be written the Almighty Jago. We're out here constructing our own roads. Safety boots are already getting towards you. Safety for who? It must be safety for who? Hey, Baba. It must be safety for who? For man. Safety for man. If you have not yet constructed your own road, my boy, you're still not rich enough. You must make money until you construct your own road. Yeah. I've been at KZN for too long. I must leave now. They really now truly believe I have a snake. They 100% believe I have a snake now. Who construct their own road? Aye, bruh. We are too much. We are too much. This Pips money is doing too much. I won't lie. Forex came to a wrong guy. The Almighty Java should have not known Forex. Now he's out here bowling every day like a motherfucker. Aungino, we wanna party. Hey guys, Forex came to wrong people. Hey, find your account, let's trade. Hey. Let's trade. Find your accounts, let's trade. It's a Tuesday. We're about to send some power signals. Find your accounts, let's trade. I'm out here constructing my own road. Ziyakhala ke manje. Ezinja madoda. Look at how sexy this thing looks like. Looks as sexy as fuck. The problem... Yeah, shout out Junior, bruh. I'm out here at Ngutu building my own road. I want when I buy a Ferrari, I pull up. I'm tired of a van now.